This is the Nazgul5. I've been flying this for almost a year now, maybe like 8 months. Yeah, it's still holding up pretty good. I just got in a really heavy crash. I got some prop damage, but overall it's still good. I'm using this GoPro mount that I printed myself. You can find it on Thingiverse, just look it up. Yeah, and this thing is heavy duty, and I think this is going to be my new main quad. I usually fly a Glide 5, but I think this is going to be my new quad. So yeah, let's check out some flight footage. Turns out the quad's fine. Okay, not bad. Like I said, this is a durable quad. I just did a heavy crash, and look, we're gonna go fly right now. Even with the prop damage, it still flies fine. Yeah, like I said, this quad is very durable. I really like it. This is gonna be my new main. I mean, there's no point to build your own quads anymore unless you're doing it for fun, because it's just more cost effective to buy plug and plays. But yeah, so let's try to catch another battery. Last one. Just gotta go back to the backpack. Hopefully nobody stole it. Yeah, it's a good drone, very sturdy. I got a couple crashes today because this is actually a new spot for me, and it's still good. I mean, look at it. It's built really well. Even my TVS antenna, Model T, is doing good. And yeah, it's a good quad. So let's pop in another battery and let's apply another pack.